not a day of speeches. Today, we are here to protest. We are not going to hand over a memorandum to anyone. We are not going to be addressed by anyone. There are different leaders of political formations. The president of the ATM is here. Comrade Carl Niels is here. Comrade Zwelin Zimavavi is going to be here. So they will all, when we arrive on the other side, once the leadership has consolidated all of them, they will come and speak to you and greet you. But today, we've got an appointment with the streets. We are not going to run. We are not going to do anything. We just walk nicely and raise our concern. Comrades, this is the most successful shutdown ever in the history of struggle in South Africa. Today, on my way here, they said they are cancelling load shedding for today because there is no demand of electricity today because the factories are closed. The consumers of electricity, the biggest consumers of electricity are closed. And that's why